channel. It's your girl Lala Living here, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I installed this gorgeous rectangular scalp Swiss HD lace. Okay, and this is a yaki hair bob wig with a bang, and I absolutely love it. This wig was super easy to install. It's definitely beginner friendly. Ladies, there's no need for glue, there's no need for gel, there's no need for melting out a lace or worrying about sweating out of lace. Like, this wig is just so easy. So if you're not too interested in melting a lace, gluing a lace, having to tie it down or anything, this wig is definitely for you. And when I say it's like put on and go, I literally mean you put this on and you can leave out the door. Like, this wig is just overall definitely beginner friendly, definitely advanced friendly. Like, this wig can be worn by anyone. Y'all, this wig is just so versatile and so gorgeous, and I can't get enough. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, stay tuned and watch me install it. So this is the package right here from Gorgius. Inside the package there is the wig inside this bag, and they also gift several items. They're inside the pouch, but you can also see they gave a wig cap, and you can never have enough wig caps. So inside the package was an edge brush, some clips, some bobby pins, a tweezer, and an elastic band. You won't need none of these because the wig is that easy and go, but they gifted you them. So this is me taking the wig out of the silk bag. They had it inside a hairnet, so I took that off, and this is what the wig looked like. It wasn't given too much right here, but honestly when you put it on, it's gonna look fantabulous. As you can see, the lace is looking real scalpish, and I love that. Inside the wig, you can see the lace right there. That's what's giving the scalp look. That's the HD Swiss lace. They do have some combs on this wig, so it's two on the side. There's also a comb at the bottom along with some adjustable straps. The band is sewn on really good. I'm showing you the stitching. It's just gorgeous. So this is me here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. I'm going to put on my wig cap. So once I put the wig on my head, this is what it's looking like, and honestly it looks good from here. But this is what I'm going to be doing to give it a more realistic look. I'm going to be going in with my Damani wax stick, and I always use this, like literally always use this on all of my installs. I'm just going to spread it around my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten down the hair, just to get it to lay a bit more flat and give it a more realistic look. So once my hair is hot comb, I'm gonna go in with my scissors, and this is just something that I'm gonna do just because it was a few strands that were a bit long. And so I'm just snipping them away, and then I'm also gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna flat iron this hair just to get it to lay even more flat and natural and sleek. And literally, y'all, that is it. Like, I know it was just super fast, but that's all you need to do with this wig. And I'm just showing you guys how it's giving scalp, it's giving real scalp, it's giving natural. Okay, y'all, this wig was super easy to install. I could do it, you could do it, we all could do it.
So
So you guys, this is the final look of Gorgius rectangular scalp Swiss HD Yaki straight bob with a bang. And you guys, this wig is so gorgeous, like just like the name, it's honestly beautiful. It looks so natural. The yaki texture is definitely a go, like it's giving real hair. Like the texture of it is just so much more compatible with my skin. Like it's like a real bang bob that I cut with my own hair. I absolutely love this hair, and what I love about it is it's gorgeous, but it is super easy. This is literally a put on and go. I really didn't even have to flat iron it because it had a natural straight look, and the coarseness of it is just because it is a yaki hair. So I literally could have just put it on and go, but I just wanted to, you know, just flatten up the top a little bit. Just because it is a put on and go doesn't mean you have to look like you literally put it on and left the building. So I did a little 1-2 with it, but you guys, it still took like under 5 minutes, and that's in real time. And the top part here is the rectangular lace. It is a Swiss HD lace, so it's very natural looking. Sometimes you can get a bang wig and it's like sewn in a circle at the top, but this one is different. It's literally, Gorgius paid attention to details, okay, because it's literally giving scalp in the center. This is a classic everyday bob look. Like it's just so nice, and I really love the natural look of the bang. Like it's not overly thick, it's natural. You can give it a nice little space out if you're going for that look, or if you want a more covered look, you could just comb over it more, just like that. You don't even have to do brows with this. Like this is another reason why I love bangs. Like out the house in 10 minutes, because no brows, you don't got to worry about that. You really don't even have to worry about lashes that much either. Like it's just so easy and ready to go. I prefer my bangs a little bit more natural, so I like to create some little spaces in it, just like this. You can literally just shake it and it'll have that look. Like this is just so nice. It's professional, but it's also everyday and cute. The density of it is perfect. It's not given like really thin, nor is it given like extremely thick, like you could lay off of a bundle. This is just perfect. Like this wig is just an overall 10 out of 10. And not to mention, y'all, it fits so perfectly. Like it's snug on my head. I could go around and, you know, do a little 1-2 with it, and it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. So that's the end of this video, you guys. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, I have a discount code down below inside my description box, along with a link to this hair. You could go ahead and purchase this gorgeous bob bang. I mean, it's literally given 10 out of 10. I said it about 10 times because I really mean it. Like it's really natural looking, it's breathable, it's not too thick, there was no shedding, and when I took it out the package, it was already ready to go. So you could just imagine how easy this will make your morning, your evening, your night, whenever you're going out. It's gonna make that routine a lot more easier and quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and like the video, and comment down below your feedback. I want to know if you liked the wig. Did you purchase the wig? How did it work with you? Just let me know. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye.